Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we are working on a great cold soup that my mom has in our Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease
Could be
cookbook.
hot.
Could be hot, yeah. But
Or room temperature.
But in the summer, this is a great soup that can be served cold.
Yeah. And we had it first when we were speaking in Oberlin, Ohio, and we had dinner first at Kenyon at Oberlin.
Kendall
Kendall at Oberlin. And our delightful chef made us this wonderful dinner. And one of our favorite things in the dinner that Chef Jacob made,
Chef Wayne Jacob,
was this shallot and corn chowder. And we have loved it.
So if you want to follow along, we are cooking on page 89 of the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook. It also, by the way, made the front cover of the cookbook. All right, what do we start with here?
We're going to start with some shallots, and I'm going to put those into a pot. And also some celery.
This is to be cooked, right?
This is going to be cooked, and this is celery. And celery is good because we don't use salt, but celery is sort of naturally salty.
Yeah.
And here is some vegetable broth. Now this is a key thing that I've discovered. Wait a minute, because when you want to start cooking this, Jane? You can start cooking this.
Sure.
It is key to get a vegetable broth that is light. For instance, Kitchen Basics is quite dark, so when I put it in here, it doesn't come out a vibrant yellow. And so either Pacific makes a low salt vegetable broth, and Engine 2 also, and both of these aren't so dark that they change the color of the soup. And so we have to just wait for maybe up to 10 minutes until the vegetables get a little soft.
Well, you bring it to a boil.
Bring it to a boil, and then simmer it for a bit. And then we are gonna show you the magic.
What texture are we looking for in the?
In there?
Yeah.
Just have it a little soft, the vegetables, so it doesn't be too long. So in the meantime,
okay,
what are we gonna do?
I'd love to show you my garden because it's blooming out. It's starting to burst. So
yes.
So we're just gonna go to the garden for a few minutes, come back, and
hope that this is cooked.
Yeah. All right. See you in a bit. Okay, we just went to the garden and we're still waiting for our vegetables to cook for a few minutes. So I want to just talk about something that I just experienced. Plenty of you probably already do this, but I just learned about this when I was in Canada, up in Calgary, Alberta, with this Fork Smart Summit with Kate McCoy-Smith and all of her amazing friends and supporters. They had a reception after our presentations, and they were serving vinegar water, and I thought, oh, my mom is the one that likes vinegar. I can't stand people drink vinegar in the morning. I am not one of those people. Or they drink it all day, and it makes my tongue furl, the thought of drinking vinegar. So I was sort of cringing at the thought of their vinegar cocktails.
Jane,
or
I
whatever.
never drink vinegar.
No, but you like vinegar. Should we turn that down? Why don't you leave it on? There you go. Anyway, so what they did is they took seltzer water, and this is just some ice and some seltzer, and I didn't even see how much they did, but I came home, I've been experimenting, so this is about, I don't know, half this, and they added to it some of this, not just regular vinegar, but like the vinegar stores out there, like the Olive Scene or Olive Tap, or I'm sure there's vinegar, an ant is trying to become part of our show here, but these are like reduced, how do you call it?
Lemon white.
But what type of vinegar? This is like a designer vinegars, for lack of a better word, or a better descriptor, that they have this they bring out the sweetness of the vinegar and this thick, great flavor.
And the white grapes that they use for the balsamic are naturally a little sweeter. So this is quite.
So they added vinegar, these flavored vinegars to the seltzer water, and they served it in little like champagne glasses, and they were so good. So I'm going to add
just one. Would you think one?
I think let's do 1.5 because I think that I tried it the other day and I was about. This is about 3 or 4 servings. Let's shake it up and see. I walked over to this water vinegar bar that was just filled. Look at it. Looks like we've got like sparkling lemonade. And it looked refreshing. And I was like, oh God, I've got to taste this because this is such a nice reception they're having. And they're so excited for me to try this. And I went over to it and I thought, oh gosh, just go. And I tried it and I thought, this is amazing. I had 6 or 7. This smells like it could be good. Let me just quickly taste it to make sure before I have you taste it. Yeah, it's so good. It tastes like lemonades. I'm going to have everybody try some. Behind the camera, Josh, you're going to try some? Okay. Cheers. This is just club soda and ice. And this is
the lemon.
White lemon.
Made by the
white
olive tap.
Reserve, whatever that means. Reserve. Okay. Hey, cheers. Try
Woo.
that. Tell me what you think of that. Hey, you leave Josh hanging. Leave that Josh hanging.
Josh, thought I got
There
you.
you go.
Oh, very good.
It's almost gonna have a
Wow.
little more, I think.
You know what? I don't know. It's nice.
Isn't that interesting? How
it gives you a refreshing taste.
Isn't that
This
cool?
all day.
Isn't that kind of cool? And it's not sugar, and it's not like what's it called? What's that fake lemonade called? What's that fake? You know, they add NutraSweet and
Yeah.
Delight.
Yeah.
No, not Delight.
So
I can't even think of the name of it. It's not even- Anyway,
Wow.
this is. Try it and add a little more vinegar, add a little less, whatever you feel like. But just
different flavors.
yeah, I tried a strawberry the other night with my husband, and they were all like, "This is kind of cool." My daughter saw me make it, so she was like, "It smells like vinegar, but it tastes good." How's that? How are we doing there?
We're just gonna have it be done.
We're gonna power on.
Power on.
Okay, so this then goes into the Cuisinart.
Yep.
Okay. Is it too hot? You want a hot pad?
Well, no. So here we go.
Ooh. Well done. Okay, so we add, transfer the shallot mixture to the food processor and add the corn and process until smooth.
And here's the corn. And this is the most important thing that you do is to get the right corn. And I've gotten corn, and if you can get super sweet or sweet corn, just make sure that the corn is sweet.
It's called super sweet.
This is called super sweet. And I have gotten just regular corn that just says corn, and it's kind of like cardboard. And it doesn't, this is just sweet because the corn is sweet.
Okay. Process until the corn is smooth. Look in there. Should we process it longer?
Just a little.
Here, sorry. You gotta put a hand on it for some reason. See? I don't know why that's.
All right. Now, Jane, I want you to taste it right now. Before we put I want you to taste it.
Happily.
And see how amazingly sweet that is. Just as it is.
Wow.
But I'm going to take a tablespoon. I usually use white balsamic.
It's got sweet and savory
This
with
happens to have,
that celery.
this is the lemon white that we just used. And I'm going to put a tablespoon of that in.
As a cocktail, and now it's being used as
And
a
then-
condiment.
Give it another little swish.
Just the one? How many?
That's all.
Okay.
And then we have to put lots of pepper in it. Oh, I've got my big grinder. Fee, fi, fo, fum.
Is that good?
That's good.
Okay.
So, I'm going to just put it in here. You can see how beautiful it looks.
Here, show the camera. Show the camera.
Can you pull that out? I mean, this is just such a simple, really, soup. And Jane, you're so good at this.
No, I just
Pepper.
fee, fi, fo, fum. Ha ha. How much do we put? A lot?
Yeah, lots.
Like lots?
Lots.
All right.
All right. Oh, camera, can you focus in on this? And then, where's some
Here.
spoons?
This is my spoon from earlier. Ha ha ha.
Wayne.
That's not Wayne, that's Josh.
Josh! Excuse me, I know that. I want you all to see. I want to know what
give
you
me one.
think.
Okay. Oberlin corn chowder. Thank you, Chef Wade
Jacobs.
Wayne Jacobs. You said Wade. So how is it?
Oh, that's good.
And if this was cold,
Surprisingly,
I mean it's warm.
and surprisingly,
It's sweet and smooth and. I want to make corn muffins to go with it. Yeah. All right.
right.
Cheers. What else would you put on top of that?
more pepper.
Or maybe some green onions. All right. Well,
don't know.
fee, fi, fo,
I mean,
fum.
it's
We'll
kind
see
of
you.
fun.
We'll see you soon. Let us know how you enjoy your corn chowder.
We love it.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.